it'll go around and then it gets done, then it'll come up and do a tool change.
Is it kind of facing off that part? Or?
Yeah, what it's doing there is we actually make wiper arm, so it's actually profiling the wiper.
Okay. Is that for aircraft?
Yeah.
Okay, very cool. It's a quiet machine. Table rapid, you don't hear anything. Look at that.